Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming Windows 11 is up to date and that the live wallpaper app you chose supports lock screen integration. Once done, install the app and grant any requested permissions. Make sure to accept background and lock screen access. You will also enable developer mode only if the app instructs it. This avoids security prompts. Then, launch the app and choose the live wallpaper file or pack. Start the process now so we can move to configuration. You now pick the exact live wallpaper asset and preview it inside the app because appearance can differ on the lock screen. Next, configure lock screen behavior. Choose play on lock, loop options, mute audio, and set battery saver limits so performance is managed. Then adjust resolution and scaling, match your display aspect ratio. Make sure to select a lower frame rate or hardware acceleration if you notice stuttering. Once these settings are saved, test the preview and continue to apply. You apply the configured live wallpaper to the lock screen and then restart Explorer or reboot the machine to ensure the change is committed. If the live wallpaper does not appear, make sure the app has explicit lock screen and background permissions, and confirm Windows Focus Assist or security policies aren't blocking it. If problems persist, reapply the wallpaper, update graphics drivers, or run the app as administrator. These steps resolve most issues quickly and keep your lock screen animated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.